A quick walk around video this morning. A little update on our commercial side of the street over here. Some rollbacks and wreckers. Flatbed. Box trucks. Even a bucket truck over here tucked away. Huh? A few more over there. Peterbilt with a drop axle. This orange truck here is one we call the show truck. We were going to keep this truck for ourselves, but honestly we got plenty around always, so no need having one dedicated one. Color match frames, got underbody, underglow lights. We really need to do a picture at night. 4 brand new back tires, air rad suspension, tinted windows, big old stereo inside, old body style Ford, dually back there, dump truck, Fuso wrecker, Freightliner and International sitting here fresh. Dump truck. I think this one's getting ready to head out to Florida. A few more rollbacks. Box trucks. Couple really low mileage Ford rollbacks have rolled in, F550s, and a couple new ones also. New to us anyway. Ram getting ready to head to California. Let's see what we got tucked up over here. I think we got a black, a blue, red, and white in the Freightliners. Couple cool rollbacks. It's a very unusual rig right here. We call it a AAA special. Got the very unique body and boxes, dollies, or go jacks, not dollies. Quick snatch on the back. Just put 6 brand new tires on this truck. It was built by Auto Equipment. Very unusual, and a full-wheel drive. Got an air hose reel, really nice storage boxes. Really well set up truck. Clean inside. Getting ready to be detailed, but not all beat up for a truck that just came in. Extra LEDs and strobes. Like I said, really unique boxes. Very impressive truck though to have just arrived. As far as how they usually come in, pretty darn dirty. Jumper cable setup, straps, grids, charging ports, second vehicle light, fire extinguisher. Boom's in great shape. This is actually a local Virginia truck. A couple John Deere loaders have come in. K5 Blazer, MV rollback, new body style. Bobcat excavator. Old body style wrecker or rollback. A couple more wreckers and service trucks up in here. Anybody looking for a Bobcat, this thing is like brand new. Another box truck there, cab over design. Couple of flatbeds, one old school international. Another international. Another KW sitting out here. Kaufman Mini 5. Got two of these 5. I think one's a Take 5 and one's a Mini 5. A Kaufman and a Big Tex. So, perfect hot shot setup. A couple of those. Anyway, if you need, let us know. Regular inventory as well, stocked up very good. Great supply right now.